Friends, here welcome to this Tech Israel Yeshua channel. Today we are going to interface LCD display to 8051. So in the circuit diagram, everything I have given here, we can note down this. 8051 based microcontroller 8089S52 is the microcontroller is having 8 kilobyte flash memory, and the ports I have connected the LCD display to port 0 and the port 2 pins, port 2 0 to 2, 3 pins used for controlling LCD display control pins, and the oscillator circuit and the reset circuit I have given here, and the programmer USB ASP programmer, you can see here the programmer. So with this programmer we can program VCC, reset, MOSI, MISO, clock and ground. Here the same connections we have to give here. The same connections we have to give here. MOSI, MISO, clock, serial clock and reset. So the pins should be connected here like that. The oscillator is a simple circuit. Everybody can do it. You can interface LCD display with 8051 based microcontrollers. Now I am displaying this. Jesus is coming. Some amount, some figures you want integer numbers you have to display. You can display, but it should be converted into stringed data. You will see in the program how it will be. Before that, let us see the pin connections of LCD display. Here the LCD display is having D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. These are all data pins. Here you can see these are all data pins. Anode and cathode. Those are the connections you have to give here for display brightness and for that backlight. These are the backlight connections. You have to give anode 220 or 330 ohms resistor, and for brightness control you have to use the 10K pot. So one terminal is connected to ground, one is connected to plus 5 volts. You can even connect one more 10K resistor, or otherwise you can adjust the contrast like that. So this how you can interface this. You can see the program. Now here the crystal oscillator using 11.0592 megahertz crystal, and 33 pf capacitors I have used. The reset circuit I have used here, the button and the capacitor and resistor I have used. And here the microcontroller I have used is 8089S52 Atmel company. It is having 8 kilobyte flash memory and 256 bytes RAM. So you can program and you can make many projects like this. So just for showing you, I have put this like this. So we have to first for port 0, we have to use pull-ups. For other ports, the internal pull-ups will be there. So now we see the program, how the program is. We'll see here. This is a program to display string data to 16 into 2 LCD display. So for that we have to include reg 52.h.h file, stdio.h and string.h for making this program in a Keel Microvision IDE, that is the software Keel Microvision, the C embedded C platform. So we can make programs in Keel Microvision. It is having even assembly language programs also you can make in this. So here the display control pins EN, RS, RW, the ports assigned are written here. And for sending data, a string is to be assigned string result 15. It's a one string. I have used for calculating any data, and that will be with the serial printf function stored in the result string. So next one is the delay. Delay function is I have created like this, and then we can see LCD commands. For display, it is having internally registers. So the command will go and set in the register that will modify its function. So for various functions in the LCD display, there will be command registers. In that registers, we have to send the data to set for that function. So we need to write the LCD command function like this. And now LCD data. The LCD data, whatever the data you want to send, we can send. The LCD data function will send data character by character, byte by byte. So this will help to send data a byte. And LCD print, this will print a stringed data. The same LCD data function is used here. When the string is sent, each character will be converted and send it to LCD display. So LCD unit. For initialization, we have to give all the initialized commands like this. So 38 is the 2 row 5 into 7 pixel character set, and OE is display on, cursor on. 01 is clears the display. 80 starts from first column, first row. This is the LCD unit function. So in the main function, we can see the calculations. We can see the calculations. A, some 30654 integer is assigned, and B 2076 integer is assigned, and these two are added, A plus B into C, and this C will be once again converted to a result string. So if this integer is converted to a string, and this will be printed in LCD print function. So finally, with while loop, it will stop here. The while loop continues. It is a never-ending loop. The program will stuck up here, so displaying all this. So this is the program I made, I have written. So you see everything, and you can write programs, and you can create so many projects. So once again, you see how we can display this. So this is the display, LCD display, and how we can program, and how we can write program and kill micro vision embedded C platform we have seen. So with this we can make a number of projects. Without a display we cannot communicate and know the information inside the microcontroller. So for anything we need input and output. So we need to display what are the data inside the microcontroller. So we need display, and we need input devices keyboard. So these are the main fundamentals. So by this you can learn, and you can construct so many projects. So this is the microcontroller I have used. So you can create so many projects. You can make so many projects with this Prog ISP. So this is the display I have shown you already. So this display is having the pins like this. I can showed already to you how to connect each pin. So like this you have to connect, but it is somewhat zigzag, but you can understand very easily. So by this you can create or interface LCD display. Thank you for watching, and make note of it, and you can make so many projects. Thank you very much.